Alright guys, I'm out here with the Mavic Mini and I have this little sunshade on right here. You see that? I got a filter in for this. I put it on to do a flight and the gimbal started going nuts. So I don't know what the story it was with that. It just started shaking real bad. So I don't know if it didn't like the weight or, I don't know. We'll see. Now I did put that on before I started it, so it might have been doing its calibration and it threw the weight threw it out of whack of the calibration. So I'm gonna have to try it the next time by putting it on with the gimbal already calibrated, and then I'll try putting it on. I'll see what happens. I don't know. So we'll just have to figure it out. Let me start some video here. Let me turn off that overexposure, because I know it's going to be overexposed because it's in the bright sun. Okay, so I'm not putting the filter on, so I'm SOL on this one. It's okay though. Let me start the video. Let me take off. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Since I'm looking down so much, I had to make sure I knew which way I was going here. I'm very low, so I don't want to run into one of these oddball trees that's floating around out here. I think the next Mavic Mini they make, they should put some zoom on it. We'll see if this guy's still here. He looks like he left. So I might head down there so I can get a shot of the dam. Whoop! I'm getting an attacker. I'm coming back. Oh, he's still coming. When they're coming to attack, guys, go up. Don't go down. When you go down, they like to dive bomb it to attack. So you want to go up. It's harder for them to do that. Here's your little TDR tip for today. Here comes another duck. There's the Mini. He's circling. Where are you going, you goofball? Oh, he landed right over there. He landed right there. He's doing a drive-by, okay? I didn't go see the horsies today because of this damn glare. Let me go over here by this duck to see if it gets all nasty. Yeah, that glare's too bad. You really can't see. I really can't see what I'm doing, okay? So We really don't want to go there. See, I don't know if I would bring the spry up here unless I could get to a different spot of the park because of this, all these weeds and all these trees and stuff still growing in here, you know. I just don't know if I would do it. I wouldn't want it to get hung on something. I mean, I don't know if it would or not, but I wouldn't want to take the chance. All right, I think that's enough of the Mavic Mini. Yeah, so the gimbal freaking out seems like that might have been because of the filter. I'm guessing that didn't like the weight. Now I know people use filters all the time, but I did put it on before I started the drone, so it calibrated with the extra weight and it threw it off. That's the only thing I can think of. So I'll have to do it like, because the Anafi does the same thing. If you put it on before you start it, it don't work. You have to start the thing, let it calibrate, and then put the filter on the Anafi. So this must be the same way. Because you know these motors on these things, these gimbal motors, they're not that big, okay? I mean, they're just tiny little shitting things. Alright guys, I'm cutting the video and I'm going to land it up. And there she blows. Okay, have a nice day.